y'all, it's Karma here. Hope your day is going amazingly well. Welcome back to spend a little bit of time with me. If you're new to the channel, welcome. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up on the video, and hopefully by the end, you'll want to subscribe to our natural healing community where we do things like crystal grids, meditations, box unopenings of spiritual and self-care type items, and then talk about how we would utilize them in our self-growth. So today I'm super excited because I've got a new box, and in about a year and a half or so, we're going to be moving probably to Colorado. We're looking for some land, and we're going to do kind of a semi-homestead, semi-off-grid living. We like to grow our garden and hunt and fish and do all of those things to be self-supportive. So I wanted to support another homestead. So when I saw this box that is done by the Sarkar Homestead, and she makes all of these products, and there's several different boxes that you can choose from. I actually chose their self-care box, which is focused around bath. So bath bombs and that kind of things. They have a shower one, and that's probably the one I should get because I mostly shower. I don't have a bath in my bathroom, only in the kids' bathroom, but I really enjoy my baths, and especially for new moon and full moon ceremonies and stuff. I thought this would be really nice for the month to utilize. So it is $47.97 a month, and it's free shipping. Now that's if you're getting it month to month. It can be as cheap as $43.97 a month if you buy 12 months in advance. And I will have any information, I will have the link in the description of the video where you can order this box. I did get this one through Cratejoy. Cratejoy's nice because everything's right there for you. And then you also, with Cratejoy, there's almost always a special going on. So when you go to carejoy.com, almost immediately something will pop up and give you 30% off your first box, that kind of thing. They're always sending those kinds of things out. So each month focuses on a theme and gives you 6 to 10 items that are made in small batches and handmade. And it's including like artisan soaps, bath bombs, bath salts, lotions, candles, and many more. So I am super duper excited, and I should have a discount code for you as well in that description. So you can check out the affiliate link I have for you and see how much that would give you off versus if you just go to Cratejoy and look at their special and figure out which one's going to work better for you. So this is the beautiful little box, and it has a little sticker on the side. Take time to pamper yourself. sarkarhomestead.cratejoy.com, and they're also on Facebook. So monthly at-home self-care spa, and that's what this one's called, is the self-care spa. So I'm going to call it the Sarkar Homestead Self-Care Spa because I like having their name and their homestead in there, because that's part of why I'm getting this, is to support a homestead. So as we open up our box, and it did come in an envelope, so it's nice that this box is beautiful and can be used, repurposed. Looks like you've got pretty sticker. You see that? There we go. A little sticker. It says thank you, handmade with love, especially for you. Oh, how pretty. So you open up the first little tissue paper, and then you've got another pretty little green tissue paper. And it looks like, oh, I can smell it already. Something's peppermint in there, and everything's tucked down inside there. So as we pull things out, let me see if I can find a card or anything in here. Not that they have any descriptions or anything. Don't think I'm seeing a card here. Okay. Well, maybe I'll find it as we dig down, but otherwise we'll just read on the products what they say they are, which should be pretty inclusive. Okay, so the first thing we have is a little beautiful tin. Ingredients: soy wax and fragrance. It's a pine soy candle. Pine, yummy. Yep, smells just like pine. Oh, that's going to be beautiful for Christmas. Nice bath. Oh, that smells so good. And you can see, beautifully poured, hand poured, you can tell. That's nice. I'm excited to use that. Get your nice little bath going, the nice little candle there. Then we have, oh, beautiful. I love bath salts. Bath salt, peppermint bark bath salt. I may pass this on to someone. My skin is pretty sensitive, and peppermint oil is a little bit abrasive, especially like in a bath. So this is probably going to get passed on to someone for a Christmas gift or go in a giveaway box for our channel. But that's beautiful. Peppermint bark. So a nice size salt bag. So that'll get you, I mean, I love putting lots of salts in mine, so literally I would do like 1 bath of this, but to make it go further, I could get 2 baths out of it. So, very nice. I'm excited. Then we have a body butter. There we go. Okay. So, shea butter rub, you know, that's always good. And again with the peppermint theme. So, I might be passing these on to people just because peppermint is not my favorite. But that's beautiful. I don't want to use any of it if I'm going to give it as a gift, so I don't want to stick my finger on it or anything. Then we have Sarkar Homestead Lip Balm Peppermint Cocoa. So sticking with that peppermint theme. So this probably won't be my favorite box, but I love all the products that are in it, and I'm super excited to get the next one. Hopefully it won't be coffee. Peppermint and coffee are my 2 things. But that's beautiful. So a little lip salve. Ooh, Christmas spice soap. Oh, that's beautiful. Coconut oil, olive oil, palm oil, sweet almond oil, fragrance, and mica. Look at that. Really pretty. See if you can kind of see the soap in it, because I don't want to open it. Again, I will probably give this as a Christmas gift. Maybe even the whole box. But that's beautiful if you can see how pretty that is. It's Christmas spice. Can't really smell it through the thing. But I don't want to open it because, like I said, because peppermint and stuff is not my favorite, I'm going to give a lot of this as a gift to someone. Then we have a bath bomb, Snowman Poop. The name of it is Snowman Poop. Okay. Baking soda, citric acid, buttermilk powder, almond oil, fragrance, and mica. That smells good. Kind of a nice light fragrance to it. And it's a good sized bath bomb. I might sneak that one out of the bag and use. And let's see. Oh, we've got a bath bomb that appears as though it bombed out. It's still got a lot of the solid right here, but look, a lot of it kind of flaked off, which is no big deal to me. But I will definitely use that one since it's not really, I'll probably give it to my daughter. Because I don't want to give it as a gift because it's just kind of, you know, mushed all around, not like a nice pressed. But it's peppermint mocha, so definitely not something I will use. So that's probably going to go to my daughter. She likes the coffee. Okay, so in this month's box, we got the peppermint bark bath salt. We got the body butter Homestead, which the cocoa butter says mango and peppermint and arrowroot powder. We got the pure soy candle. We got the Homestead soap called Christmas Spice, and that was a nice big piece of soap. We got a beautiful big bath bomb called Snowman Poop. We got another bath bomb that kind of fell apart on us. That's a Peppermint Mocha bath bomb. And we got the lip balm that was Peppermint Cocoa. So there's 7 products that are in here for your $47.97. And with these all being homemade from their homestead, handmade in small batches, I know how much work that goes into this, and so I do think that this is a good value for the box. Now, admitted, peppermint's not my favorite theme for the month, so a lot of this will get gifted away, but I'm super excited to get next month's box to be able to use it. What did you think about the Sarkar Homestead Self-Care Spa box? Is this something you think you'd be interested in? I want to check out their shower one as well. I think I'd kind of like to get that one as well. I really enjoy supporting someone like this who's making all their products and is a small business and trying to support their household. I hope you enjoyed the box. I hope you enjoyed it so much that you'll want to give a thumbs up to this video and subscribe so that you can come back often, share time with us, to the channel where you can say, Karma's your friend. Bye, y'all.